How to fix update KB5064080 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with August 2025 preview cumulative update for Windows 11 24H2. The first method is run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters. For Windows Update, click on Run. Here, select I can download, install or uninstall an update. Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Yes. The Windows Update diagnostic failed to run. Would you like to talk to agent? If you want to talk to agent, then click on yes. Otherwise, close the troubleshooter. The new Windows Update troubleshooter doesn't work perfectly. So we are giving a link of a legacy troubleshooter in the description area. If you want to run the troubleshooter, go to the video description and click on the link. After clicking the link, the legacy troubleshooter will be downloaded in a zip file in your default browser. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Click on extract all. Click on extract. Browse the folder here. Right click on this tool and select open. Click on the advanced link. Select run as administrator. Check the option Windows Update and click on next. Follow the on-screen instructions given by the troubleshooter and then try to install the update. If the issue still persists, fix the installation using Windows Update. Click on Start, select Settings, System, find Recovery, this one, and click on it. This is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now. Check this box. Automatically restart my PC 15 minutes after installation and click on OK. The system will instantly check Windows updates and create a link here to reinstall Windows. Using the link, you will need to reinstall the Windows. After 2-3 restarts, the update will be installed and the issue will be fixed. If you are still in problems with the preview cumulative update, then reset Windows Update components. To do this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Go to the video description, you will find these commands there. Run these commands, one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the programs and restart your computer. Then check for updates. The next method is try installing the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page after clicking the link. Here the link to the preview cumulative update will be shown. Click on the compatible files link and install the update. We will update the link after the preview cumulative update is released. You can uninstall third-party antivirus to see if the program is interfering with the Windows update process. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Apps, click on Installed Apps. Find the third-party program in this list. To be fair, I have not installed any third-party antivirus program. I am showing you an instance here. Suppose this is the third-party program. Then click on three dots and select uninstall. Click on uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. After uninstalling the program, restart your computer and then check for updates. If the issue still occurs, then modify services. To do this, click on search, type services, click on services, go to the bottom part and find Windows Update. Right click on this service, select properties. The startup type must be automatic, which is already here. The service status must be running, but the service status is stopped. So click on start. Click on OK. Right click on this service and select restart. In the same way, find cryptographic services, this one. Right click on this service, select properties. The startup type must be automatic, which is fine here, and the service is running. So nothing is needed. Right click on this service, select restart. Click on yes. Then look for background intelligent transfer service, this one. In the same manner, right click on this service, select properties. A startup type must be automatic, so change it to automatic, and the service must be running. So click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. Right click on the background intelligent transfer service, select restart. Then look for app readiness, this one. Right click on this service, select properties. Startup type is already automatic. The service status is showing stopped, so click on start. Click on OK. Right click on app readiness, select restart. Once done, close the services window and check for updates. If the preview cumulative update is downloaded, click on restart now to complete the installation. The problem still appears, then there might be something wrong with system files or Windows image. In this case, you will have to run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Click on yes. Go to the video description. You will find the two commands there for SFC and DISM restore health. Run both commands. Copy the SFC command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Close the command prompt, close the other running programs and restart your computer and then check for updates and try to install it. If the problem still persists and any methods don't work, then you will have to perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link. This is official website link for Windows 11 download. Go down to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section and click on select download. Select this option. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Then you will have to select the product language. Check the language of your system to select the correct product language. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to Time and Language, click on Language and Region, check Windows Display Language. For me, it is English United States. Click on Choose One and select the language. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads folder. Right click on the ISO file you have just downloaded. Select Mount. Right click on setup.exe and select Open. Click on Yes if user account control pop-up appears. And check this option. Checking this option will take much more time to install the Windows. And click on Next. On the applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Click on Install. The system will restart multiple times to complete the installation. Wait for it. The preview cumulative update will be automatically installed with this process. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.